Hello students, I am Arun Pandey and I am going to discuss today class 10 subject biology chapter 1 life processes. This is the name of the chapter, life processes. So inside chapter 1 life processes, today we are going to discuss, explain in front of you about chloroplast and location of chloroplast and structure of chloroplast. So try to understand. So location of chloroplast, in location of chloroplast means how chloroplast are seen. So first of all have to know that what is chloroplast. You will listen and understand by me what is chloroplast inside location of chloroplast. When a cross section of green leaf inside chloroplast, when a cross section of green leaf are observed under a microscope, then a sac-like structure are seen that are called chloroplast. So when a cross section of a green leaf are observed under microscope, then disc-like structure, sac-like structure, disc-like structure are called chloroplast. So disc-like structure, that means this is disc-like structure. This is disc-like structure. Students, try to understand. Disc-like structure when green leaf is observed, when a cross section of green leaf is observed under a microscope, then this disc-like structure are seen that are called chloroplast. So after this, some disc-like structure are called chloroplast can be seen. The outermost layer of leaf is called epidermis. Outermost layer of leaf is called epidermis, and below the epidermis mesophyll cells are present. Below the epidermis, that means lowermost under the epidermis, lowermost side of the epidermis, there is mesophyll cells are present, and chloroplasts are found in the palisade and spongy cells of mesophyll. Mesophyll has spongy cells as well as palisade cells. So chloroplasts are found in these cells. Which cells? Spongy cells and palisade cells. They are found inside the mesophyll cells. Try to understand once again. Inside mesophyll cells, palisade cells and spongy cells are found, in which, that means in palisade cells, in spongy cells, chloroplasts are found. The complete process of photosynthesis inside the chloroplast, that means inside the chloroplast process of photosynthesis is complete. That means chloroplast is called the site of photosynthesis. So all the process of photosynthesis are complete inside the chloroplast. That's why it is called site of photosynthesis. So this is the location of chloroplast. But after explaining the location of chloroplast, I am going to discuss you about structure of chloroplast. So how chloroplasts are seen? A double membrane that surrounds the chloroplast is called chloroplast envelope. A double membrane, that means two membrane that surround the chloroplast, that means inner membrane and outer membrane that surround the chloroplast is called chloroplast envelope. And after this, many membrane bound flattened sacs called thalkide. Many membrane bound, many membranous flattened sacs, sacs which are flat are called thalkides, are present in the chloroplast. Each stack of thalkites is called granum. Each stack of thalkites, each series of thalkites is called granum. Granum is singular and grana is plural. So thalkites are center of light dependent reaction. That means photosynthesis are complete in two steps, light reaction and dark reaction. So light reaction completes in granum. So granum is the center for light dependent reaction. Once again, next thing, and thalkites are center of light dependent reaction of photosynthesis, as photosynthetic pigment are found in their membrane. The area enclosed by inner membrane of chloroplast are called stroma. The area which are enclosed by inner membrane of chloroplast are called stroma, and stroma are the site of dark reaction of photosynthesis. That means stroma, and inside stroma dark reaction of photosynthesis or completes. So this is location of chloroplast and structure of chloroplast. So thanks.